Gala coin holders, what's going on this time, my friends? The Gala coin price is pumps up 1.90%. The Gala coin price will increase now, so that's really, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. This time the price is again is down, but don't worry, it's temporary, my friends. You can see here, so don't focus on this. Just know a lot of holders are doing very huge mistake because they tell to we are very active holders, but I'm really sorry, my friend, to say this, but remember to sometime you will never need, my friends, to be active. Sometime you will need to be sleeping, my friend, because if you are sleeping and when you wake up, so absolutely they will give you a profit. But sometime when you are active, so you will take a very bad decision to their temporary fades down and you will starting selling. So this is really huge mistake, and remember, my friends, to please take a research personally, because this is not a financial video. I just advise you, please, ABS channel will never responsible for any kind of loss, so kindly try to understand. Let's see, my friend, this time you can see here the market cap of my friend, this coin is 1.34% increase. Now the fully diluted market cap is absolutely increasing. That's mean, my friend, everything is positive. Volume, you can see here 33%, everything is on the screen and going up positive. So first of all, the update is very good for all Gala coin holder. That's mean to Gala coin is very good and absolutely very good coin, my friends, for investment in those days. So I just tell you, my friends, please don't research personally. Some holders tell me to this is only fake video you are promoting. So kindly, I'm really sorry. If you, my friends, don't trust on ABS channel, please don't watch ABS channel video. I cannot force you, my brothers, please. Alright, so thank you so much, my brothers, and who love ABS channel, I am really thank you and appreciate you, my friends, to your love. You are subscribed our YouTube channel. This is really trustful channel. Trust me, 15,000 people subscribe this channel, so that's mean to they are all love, they are trust on ABS channel. ABS channel will never financial video make, my friends, so hope you understand. Alright, so I'm going, my friends, to show you the chart so you will better understand to this time they will profit, they were losing. So you can see, my friends, there's the black dot line. As you can see here, my friend, this is the black dot line and this is the resistance line, my friend. If they will moving upward from resistance line like that, so you can see they will green, and this is the profit. As you can see like that, absolutely this is urgent pump and very huge pump, my friend. But when they were fails down from resistance line, so they are completely in the loss. So therefore I will inform you, my brothers, to this time you can see here the total average is going positive from, especially from last 24 hours, they will take a very huge jump. So therefore that's really great news for all of you, my friends, to which coin will, sorry, my friends, Gala coin is completely on the profit. Alright, my viewers, my subscriber, my prediction is 100% going positive for all of you. Please holders, hold down, don't starting selling and wait for the end of month. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.